So in order for a garden to be successful, there's just certain concepts that we want to master. And once you master these concepts, your garden can be easy, fun, and productive. So the concept that I want to talk about today is how to control the cabbage worms or cabbage loopers in your garden. Cabbage loopers are just a natural part of the landscape here in the country, and they live on the white-top weeds that we have around the farm, so there's really no way of eliminating the loopers from my garden. And the next best thing is to just disrupt the worms' life cycle so that they don't reproduce in the garden. So loopers have 4 stages. They have the egg, the worm, the cocoon, and then the moth. And I like to disrupt the cycle at the worm stage. So once we start to see the cabbage loopers flying around the farm and gardens, we start our program. We'll run our control program until after the 3rd frost in the fall. So in the homemade pest control guide, there's 11 methods to control the cabbage looper or cabbage worm population. So here are my 4 favorite methods. So number 1 is caterpillar determined citrus spray. So caterpillars, they don't like the taste of citrus, and its bitter chemicals, they run the caterpillars off. So to make the citrus spray, go ahead and grind up the rinds and the seeds of any citrus fruit. That can be oranges, lemons, limes, grapefruits, whatever. And soak that overnight in 2 cups of water. And then go ahead and strain out the pulp and add 2 teaspoons of liquid soap and mix that, and then you can spray that on the plants. Number 2 is Captain Jack's Dead Bug Brew. So use Captain Jack's Dead Bug Brew once a week from the time that we see the white cabbage looper moths in the spring until the 3rd hard frost. Number 3 is BT. This is a bacterial pathogen that is used for biological control over the larvae. So it's widely used by organic growers, and I've used it with really great success. And it's safe for the plants, the animals, and for humans. Number 4 is Diatomaceous earth, and Diatomaceous earth is ground up fossilized seashells. And the diatomaceous earth, it will puncture the soft-bodied insects, and they will just basically dehydrate and die. So if you'd like to learn the other 7 ways to control the cabbage loopers, you can get into our homemade and organic pest control ebook. And you get the ebook for free when you sponsor the show. So we give it away along with the Gardener's Guide to the Perfect Soil and Preserving Fruits and Vegetables Guide. So anyone who sponsors the show at the $8.50 level, you can get these 3 guides. And the money that we raise from the sponsorship goes to keeping the show free to everyone around the world. And it really is around the world. It's on 6 continents already. And we feel that everyone should have access to learning how to grow food for themselves and their family. And by sponsoring the show, you are a part of keeping this education free and feeding people around the world. So congratulations on that. So if you'd like to learn more about high-performance gardening and the garden concepts that lead to success, then go ahead and drop on in at our website, thelivingfarm.org, and there's more articles, videos, and e-courses that can help you on your way to success. If you want to learn how to grow $2,500 worth of organic produce with only a 15-minute-a-day commitment, sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. There are hundreds of episodes chock full of my best gardening secrets that I have learned over the last 3 decades. Go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. It's free and online. Also, if you want to join the premier online community of people who grow food, medicine, and build resilient communities, join us today at thegrownetwork.com. Thanks so much for watching. May your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.